Okay, we're gonna see if she rolls over because we missed it the first time. You could do it. You like your fishies? Samantha. Hi, baby girl. You gonna roll over for mommy in the camera? Samantha. Hello. Hi. What you doing? What you doing? Are you gonna roll over? Pretty please?
Hi, Tug. Oh.
You gonna crawl? Come on.
Such a good job.
So strong. You're not even 4 months old yet. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Looks like she's swimming.
Oh, there you go. Pull your legs up.
Good job, baby.
Oh.
Getting so close.
What you doing? You trying to crawl?
He's getting there. She must be tired.
You give up? She's just laying there. Sammy, are you done? Can you roll over or crawl or do some wonderful milestone?
He's trying so hard.
No, she's kicking those legs. Oh. Yeah. There you go. Rolling over. You got it. Yay!
Yay!
You did it. Good girl. Who's the prettiest girl? Good girl. I love that.